Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to be getting your up-to-date Bitcoin analysis and cryptocurrency trades, because right now I've got one very clear trade that is flashing a very clear buy signal that I'm going to tell you about, and I've also got some Bitcoin analysis that you'll probably find very, very interesting. So first things first, the price of Bitcoin right now, $23,380. And I discovered I have this pencil thing for the iPad, so we're using that from now on because it makes it easier to point and it makes the screen less dirty, so I don't have to clean it every single time. Anyway, the first thing that I want to point out to you about Bitcoin right now would be that down here on the MACD, we are going bullish. At the same time as that, we're having a resurgence on the RSI. Now, what does all of this mean? Is it all just gobbledygook nonsense, or does it actually mean something? Well, on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin right now, we're about to tick bullish again down here on the MACD. The RSI is looking very good. Now myself, how am I positioned in this market right now? Well, I'm long. I'm really, really long. I've got currently not massive long positions open, but quite large long positions open, with the most in profit one being currently on Ethereum Classic. We also have this Ethereum long down here that I took $11,000 profit on already. But on the whole, I'm long on Ethereum from the price point that I put in the trading group that you'll find linked in today's video description. I posted all of these trades in the trading group in today's video description. So if you want to get these trades at the same time as I take them, join the group that is linked at the top of today's video description. Thank you very much, because I literally posted all of these trades and all of them have been profitable. This is not manipulated for the sake of YouTube. You can check back in the whole group if you want. You can see all of the trades have been profitable recently. I am on form. Anyway, when it comes to how I'm playing it, obviously I am currently long on the price of Ethereum. I'm long on the price of Ethereum Classic. I'm long on the price of Solana. I'm long on the price of Elrond. I'm long on the price of Bitcoin as well. So why am I long on everything? Well, for a start off, Ethereum Classic. Why do I think right now is a really good time to be longing Ethereum Classic? Well, because from my perspective, looking at this chart right here, I believe that what we're forming is essentially just a simple inverse head and shoulders formation. And for this to play out, essentially all we need to do is crack back within this level of resistance right here, which for Ethereum Classic's price, that level of resistance is currently sat at around about $38. So if Ethereum Classic breaks over $38, and it's currently at $37.60, it's quite likely that the price of Ethereum Classic will then go above $40. Now, my initial target for Ethereum Classic was only $40. But I do think that by the time that the Ethereum merge happens, which is in approximately 6 weeks' time, I think the price of Ethereum Classic is going to be between $60 and $80 per coin based off what we have seen so far. Now, I actually find that to be quite realistic. This is the daily chart for Ethereum Classic, and my prediction would take us above the most recent high right here. And if we zoom all the way out, it would actually cause us. And so why am I expecting these levels? I'll explain why I'm expecting these levels for Ethereum Classic and why I think Ethereum Classic is a good trade right now. Well, because essentially we've technically already broken above this level of resistance once. If we break above it again, which would be that break of $38, it would likely be that we come back to this level here. Now, this level here would be the next key resistance level, and that is sitting at $63.90. However, breaking that resistance level, well, sky's the limit at that point in time. But the Ethereum Classic hype is very real right now, and I'm expecting the price to break through this resistance level. So, of course, if you are interested in trading Ethereum Classic, where can you trade it? The answer to that is on Bybit. You can trade Ethereum Classic on Bybit. You'll find it linked in today's video description. To trade Ethereum Classic is very simple. All you need to do is go on Bybit, make an account on the link in today's video description, make a deposit of over $500 to trade with, and then all you need to do is go to the derivative section, go to USDT, scroll down a little bit, or quite simply just type in ETC and it will take you to the correct trading pair, and that's the one that you want there. If you don't want to trade it with perpetual futures, which means depositing USDT and then trading the price of it, you can actually just buy Ethereum Classic coins as well on Bybit if you prefer to just buy the underlying coin. I actually do hold quite a lot of underlying coins myself, but I hold those coins on Coinbase. Anyway, next thing, Bitcoin's price, of course. So what we're expecting for Bitcoin right now? Well, it's important to point out for Bitcoin, I had this set up earlier, but I don't have it set up anymore. If we go to the weekly chart for Bitcoin and I reset the scale right here, I want to show you something. which is, well, there's two things that I want to show you. The first one would be the moving averages. So by the way, this is a little bit of a tutorial for anybody that wants to use TradingView correctly. You would want to, if you want to find the moving averages for something, you just go on here, you type in moving average, and then you go down here, and we go down to this one right here. That's all we require, because I want to use the 200 weekly moving average. So for that, what I need to do is I just zoom out on the chart a little bit. I go over to my moving average section, I click on that right there, and then basically I want to type in 200, not 2000, that would be wrong. And that's the one. So that gives us the 200 weekly moving average plotted on this chart right here. We can see on this chart right here anyway, that on the weekly MACD down here, we had only just about to tick bullish, which is again incredible news. It looks like what we're actually receiving right now, which is what I wanted to show you, is we appear to be bouncing off this blue line in the middle, which is your 200 weekly moving average. Bitcoin is bouncing off this level. If we bounce off this level and break through this level, Bitcoin will go to at least $28,000 per coin, at least, at a very, very minimum. So I'm overall very bullish on the cryptocurrency markets right now. It's why I am also very long on the cryptocurrency markets right now. So of course, if you are interested in trading, check out Bybit. You'll find a link for it in today's video description. If you want to trade Ethereum Classic, it's the best place to be trading Ethereum Classic. I'm also trading here on PHEMEX, but what I'm doing right now on PHEMEX is today I'm going to be staking my USDC on PHEMEX for 18.8% interest. I think this is, honestly, it's really good interest. It's not dangerous as other centralized staking platforms. Of course, there is always an associated risk with all of this stuff, but basically I've got this Bitcoin in here that I'm also going to stake fairly soon. I've got 1.25 Bitcoin. I've also got $658, but I'm going to deposit about $30,000 today and stake it on PHEMEX. So if you want to earn 20% interest right now, the best place to earn 20% interest is on PHEMEX, and you'll find that linked as well in today's video description. And also, if you use the link for PHEMEX in today's video description, you get a significant deposit bonus. It's quite a lot of money. It's about 5%. So whatever you deposit, you'll get 5% added to your total deposit amount. So you'll find that all linked in today's video description. All you need to do, click the links, and well, I mean, it benefits both of us. Let me just quickly explain how it works, because a lot of people don't really understand it. Basically, for example, if you sign up, you receive a very nice bonus. At the same time as that, say that you trade on PHEMEX, you pay a trading fee to PHEMEX. That fee, I receive a small percentage of that fee as basically a referral fee. That's how referral links work. There's nothing malicious about it. There's nothing bad about it. That's just how referral links work. So if you do want to support the channel and you like my work and you appreciate the fact that we've been nothing but correct and accurate now for months, please do use the links in today's video description. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching today's video. I hope it's been informative, useful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Slap a like, and I'll see you very shortly. Goodbye.